Hello everyone, we all are using conditional formatting to highlight the cells based on values. But sometimes we have blank cells on which we don't want to apply the conditional formatting. In this video, I will explain how to skip conditional formatting for blank cells. In this example, I have already applied conditional formatting where cells are highlighted with green color if the value is greater than 70% and with the red color if the value is equals to or less than 70%. But in this case, it is highlighting the blank cells also in test 2 and test 3 columns. To skip the conditional formatting for blank cells, select the range and go to home under styles, click on conditional formatting options and select the manage rules option. Now in conditional formatting rules manager, you can see the existing conditional formatting rules. Now click on new rule button, select the second rule type, which is format on only cells that contain, select blanks option in the first drop down, click OK. Now in conditional formatting rules manager, this new rule should be at the top. Select checkbox stop if true. Now click on apply button and click OK. Now the blank cells are skipped for conditional formatting.
Enter the value in the blank cells.
And automatically conditional formatting will be applied as per the rules. So in this way, you can skip conditional formatting for blank cells. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of new video. Thanks for watching.